Hello everyone, this is Nilesh Indiramurmkar. Would like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the difference between these three words. Those are sometime, and sometimes. Most often people get confused with these three words, especially with sometime and sometimes, because they look alike and they feel that they are interchangeable. So when they want to use sometimes at that particular place, they use sometime, and when they actually want to say sometime or use sometime, they end up using sometimes. This is not like that, friends. These three words are different than each other and we must know the proper usage of it. Before I start my video, I would like to tell you all, as usual at the end of this particular video, one exercise is given. Make sure you watch the complete video and understand the proper usage of these three words and solve that particular exercise. So let's get started with the very first word, that is sometime. Friends, I have found a very good definition of this particular word in the Oxford Dictionary. This one is very precise. What is it? It says, what is sometime? It is at a time that you do not know exactly or has not yet been decided. I would like to divide this definition into two parts. So, at a time that you do not know exactly, it means we are talking about unspecified point in time. Sir, what is unspecified point in time? Good question. Friends, if you want to know what is an unspecified point in time, you must know what is specified time. So for that, I have given you one more example over here. Example number 2. It is, I will call you tomorrow at 6 o'clock. It means that when I say I will call you tomorrow at 6 o'clock, the time is specified. I want to say that the time, the thing that I'm going to do, that is call, I'm going to make a call, and this thing has been decided. It means that I'm going to call you tomorrow at 6 o'clock. So this is specified point in time. But when you say at a time that you do not know exactly, or when we talk about unspecified point in time, look at the very first example, that is, we will meet sometime soon. So when you actually say to someone, we will meet sometime soon, what does it mean? You ask this question, when? There is no clear answer to this particular question. When? The time is unknown. That is unspecified. You don't know when. It might be tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, might be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or the next week or the next month. So the time is not specified. That is unspecified point in time. So at that particular time, you can use sometime. And the latter part of this definition also says the same, has not yet been decided. So nothing has been decided over here. So this is what sometime means. Now friends, we are going to see the second word, that is sometime. Friends, if you refer to any standard dictionary, for example Oxford or Longman, you will not get to see the meaning of this word as one, because these are two different words and you have to search them separately. So what does some means? It means some amount of. So it can be anything. Some food, some amount of food, some water, some amount of water, so on and so forth. So the same way, there is some time, it means some amount of time. That's it. So for example, give me some time, it means give me some amount of time. This is very simple. The last, not the least, that is sometimes. Remember that there is this S at the end and it makes all the difference. What does it mean? Sometimes it is an adverb of frequency. What are the other adverbs of frequency? Friends, you might have studied those adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, rarely, hardly, never. The same way, there is this sometimes. So if you want to find the meaning of this particular word, so you can place it between always and never. You can place it in the middle. So you can even say that it is 50-50. For example, sometimes I wake up at 6 o'clock and sometimes at 7. So it means occasionally. So there is an example. Sometimes I play cricket. So occasionally I play cricket, it means. And if you want to use it, you can use this particular word sometimes at 3 different places. So it can be used exactly before the sentence, sometimes I play cricket. The second way of using it, you can use it exactly before the main verb. So if you want to use that, it will be like this: I sometimes play cricket. Or you can place it at the end of this particular sentence. So the sentence will be, I play cricket sometimes. So this is what it is all about. I hope you have understood this lesson very well. Make sure that there will be a slide. Make sure that you fill in the blanks and write down your answers in the comment box. Definitely I'll be coming up with something really new and exciting in the next week. Till then, bye bye for now, and don't forget to solve that one. Okay, take care, bye.